Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, December 12th of 2024, which we just figured out the date is 12/12/24. What a lovely date. And a lovely day to tell you that all of our Christmas fabric and kits and panels and pre-cuts are now on sale. So I'll be sure to link to our sales section of our website so you can peruse all of the this year Christmas items at a really nice discount. And there's still time to make whatever you need to make for sure. There's unlimited time between now and Christmas. And then I have this to reshare with you. This is called It Takes a Village. Linda, who is behind the camera, made a third of the panel for us. So this panel comes in three pieces. You have a little piece for policemen, a little piece for firemen, and a little piece for EMTs, I guess, hospital workers. And so Linda took the felt panel home and made all of the parts for the police with the police station and the police officers and their police dogs. And then this is the little bag that you can tuck all your things in, or she also put a pocket back here so you can tuck all of your police people into the pocket. And you can do the same thing obviously with the other two parts of the panel. You can see the firefighters right there on the front. So really fun thing to do with or for someone for the holidays. And then this panel actually coordinates with the collection. So once you have everything made, you can put your police station at the police station and let your dogs and people and cars and things drive all over. So that is not new in the shop, but we now have examples to show you how adorable it is. Next up, we have Insomnia. I love this group. People, especially women of a certain age, are going to appreciate Insomnia. Insomnia draws inspiration from the restless, sleepless nights, quilting and sewing in the wee hours. This collection captures the feeling of being awake while the world sleeps. The use of grayscale reflects the nighttime atmosphere and the somber mood often associated with insomnia. And this is by Michael Miller Fabrics. We have some lovely sleep masks and eyeballs opened and closed. Then we have all the things associated with sleeping and not sleeping. Clocks and clouds. This might be upside down. It's hard to tell if it's a toss. Coffee and cats and dreams and all sorts of things. Counting sheep. And then this one had a funny name, if I remember correctly, when I bought it. Brain fog. This piece is called Brain Fog, which is how you feel after the insomnia. And then this is actually my favorite piece of the collection. If you want to spend a second trying all of those options for sleeping. So if you know somebody with insomnia, this would be a hilarious pillowcase pattern, or any kind of quilt that you want to throw on the bed. Maybe it'll give people ideas of what to do when they're not sleeping. So that will also be linked in today's video, and I can also link that burrito pillowcase pattern. It's a great pattern. I think it's 3 seam lines, and it makes a beautiful, quick pillowcase, which could be just the thing you need for that last person on your list. Now we have this beautiful fabric called Off the Grid. Reflect on a weekend in the woods spent off the grid with these forest-themed Hoffman Spectrum digital prints. Trees, cross sections, and a treetop panel coordinate with the 2 wood grain prints from the 24/7 grain collection. And this is by Hoffman Fabrics. I love this because it looks like you're just laying right in the middle of the forest looking straight up at the trees. And then we have these great tree prints, which would be lovely for landscape quilts if you're actually making trees, or bookcase quilts. Or I actually love this collection for a guy quilt. I have a son who loves the outdoors and goes to school in the mountains, and I feel like this would be a great jumping off point for a quilt for him. I love this piece. This would also make fun coasters, honestly. Yeah, they're very crisp. That's the value of digital printing, is crispness and no limit to colors. So we have all that for you today and more, of course, with the Christmas sales and specials. So be sure to check us out online or come into the shop. We're open until 5 today. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.